how to download videos from Twitter/X. So go to your X app, find the video that you want to download. I'm just going to download this one. And at every video, you have a lot of options right below it with comments, retweets, likes. And at the very far right, you're going to see a share button. So go ahead and click that share button. And what you're going to do is copy the link at the far left-hand side there. Copy the link. And then come out of Twitter. Go pick your favorite browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And what you want to do is type in Twitter Video Downloader. And that's going to give you some options here. Go to the second one where it says sstwitter.com. Go ahead and click that. And then go ahead and insert your link here. And then hit download. And it's going to give you some options here. So pick the resolution that you want to download it in. So I'm just going to pick the first one. Close out of the ad. And it's going to be downloading, and you can see it at the very bottom. So go ahead and hit save and choose to save it to your files. That'll be on your phone specifically if you're on iPhone. So once that's done, you can open it from here, or you can come out of your browser, go find your Files app in your phone, and right here is where the video is. And it's that simple. And from this point, what you can do is hit the share button at the bottom left-hand side and hit save video. So then at this point, now it's in your actual photos gallery and you have the video, and it's that easy.